What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a blog page using Elementor on WordPress. So as you can see, I'm on my WordPress dashboard, and to do so you need first to install a plugin. That's the Elementor plugin, and if you don't have it installed already, I do have it installed, but if you don't, just go to plugins here from the menu on the left, click on add new plugin, search for Elementor, hit enter. And this is the one you want to install, the Elementor website builder. For me, it says update now because it's installed. So I'll just go ahead and update it right now. Okay, now it's updated and activated once again. Go to the installed plugin or back to the plugins page to make sure it's updated. And Elementor is there. Now go ahead to the pages, add a new page, and here and in here click on edit with Elementor. It'll open up the page in the Elementor editor. Now here you can add whatever widgets and elements that you want. So here I can add like a basic header text, for example, and let's name it my blog post. And here you can add all kinds of elements. So if I click here on the plus, I can select the layout. Okay, let's say I like this layout. And I can add as many elements in each of the sections right here. So if I go to the images, for example, the plugins, I can add an image plugin right here. If I go back, I can add a Google Maps right here. So basically like editing the page or the blog post however I want to.